Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add formulas in Google Sheets. So this skill can be useful for a variety of reasons. And one reason being if you're running a business and you're keeping like a spreadsheet of information of orders, for example, and you don't want to keep manually adding everything up yourself. So I can add a formula in on this last cell below the orders to add all this up. So to do this is really simple. So I just double click on the cell where I want the final sum to be. Then the FX bar is where you write in your formula. So I'm going to click into the FX bar. So I'm going to start by typing equals, and then you can see the sum already pops up. So I just have to write that in. So sum, then bracket D2, which is the first cell that I want to add up, colon D6, and then close the bracket. And you can see the sum is now typed in here. Then I just press enter. And if I've done it correctly, the total will pop up, and it has, as you can see. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.